So hello guys, today we're gonna talk a little bit about the Kdenlive. It's a video editor that you can install in Windows and Linux, but was created for Linux. I'm using it on Linux on Ubuntu Studio, and this is a little project that I'm doing, and I want to show you around some basic features, but you will be able to do a video with a little bit of editing. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope I can help you. And please subscribe the channel. It's very important for me. So let's go. This is the program, and this is the tracks that I have on this project. So I have two video tracks for now, and I have four audio tracks. You can add or edit these, like if you're gonna insert a track, you can choose if it is a video track or audio track, AV track, or you can record it directly for to the program, and you can choose if you want to put above or under it, so it will add the track after this one or before this one. So it's very intuitive. So this is one of the things. And this is useful because every time you put a video with an audio, you need at least two tracks. So video and audio. In this case, I have two videos. I have two audios for the videos, and if I want like vo voice off or music on the video, I have to add two more audios because they will uh, be under one will be under the other, so they have to have separate audio tracks. So after explain a little bit about the tracks, this is the the media that I'm working with it. To put more media, it's very simple. You just go and grab something, and you can drag to here, and you can add it. For example, here it will add wherever you put it. So now it's here. I don't want this picture, so I will delete it. All right. To navigate on your video, you have two options. You can go with your mouse and go up and down, or you can use the wait a little bit. Or you can use the scroll and scroll up and down, and you go up and down on your movie. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you push the control button on your keyboard, and you go scroll again, and you zoom in and you zoom out, so you can see all the project. Now it's too much zoom in. Now it's too much zoom in. So there you go. So we are back to the project. So this is how it starts. Let me zoom out a little bit. And to another nice feature of this program, it's the fade in or fade out. It's very simple to use. You just come here to this red dot, and you open the fade out that you want, as big as you want. This will fade out the image and the sound. So it do the two. And you the fade in, it's the green dots on the other side. You can drag and you can do the fade in. And after this, you can add effects to sound or to video by hand. So you can go on this side of the program and you can search for the effect that you want, or you can manually look at all of them. If you want to understand what is the effect that you have now apply on your video, it's here under the title of the video you have what is the effect. So I have fade out here. Here I have a fade out and a volume. If we click here, the effects are showing on the lower right part here. So the volume, I go a little bit, it's here, so I can change the volume on the gain. To add the volume control, you just come here and you will put volume and it will appear. You just double click, selecting which it's the track you want to apply this. You select before, like for example in intro, I double click here and it adds the volume here. See, appears under the title, and you can control now the volume of this clip here. If I don't want the volume at all, I can mute it. It's just come here and mute. It appears the same. I double click, it's the same solution. So after this you can have multiple video and audio tracks. If I want to have, for example, a video audio but I don't want the video image, I can add a video. Let me show you what I'm telling you about. So imagine that I want the audio of this video but I don't want the video. I will add it here, give a little bit because it's transforming the video for a format that he's able to understand. You can take a little bit, and after the video it's here, I just disable on this track the video, so will never appear the video, but the audio it's gonna be good. If I want to put like audio track just to disable audio on that track, for example I want the audio track and I want under it, and I will give a name like the mute track, and on this final track I will disable the sound here, and every time that I have a track that I don't want to listen to, I just grab it and drag it to here. For example, this one it's associated to the video, so have to be this one. So I will drag it here and will be automatically mute. I don't need to put the mute effect here. Yes, I want this to listen. So this is finished here. Let me see if it adds. Oh, so to sometimes you need to add it again because it's taking some time. It's not accepting me these video tracks because it's been used for a different I need to insert video track. I will give above and I will change for here. Alright, so if I don't want to see the image of this video, I will just disable the video here and I will listen to the music, but I don't see the video. What can I tell you more? So pretty much you can do a lot on this program. It's pretty much, this is the basics. To cut the video, it's a good, to cut you have this feature here to cut, and you don't need to select the video that you want to cut, but you need to have the mouse over it. So if I want to cut here, I will have the mouse over this and will cut. If I want to cut this music clip here, I just put the mouse wherever I want and will cut, right? So it's very, see, so I can do this. This is very easy to cut, and after cut I don't want this part. I will select again the arrow. Now I have to select the video that I don't want, and it just pull delete on the keyboard, and it's done. This is the basics. After this is just playing with the effects. You have a lot of effects that you can use, and you can test it before. You can see where are you going here on the play. So it's a very basic and powerful program. I hope you guys like, and till the next movie.